misses all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not.
All right. Day 2. Since I wasn't here, tell the people what you done.
What do you mean, what did I do?
What'd you do? What was wrong with your car yesterday? Anything you want to fix for Southeast?
Oh.
For day 3, since day 2 is
My dash has been screwing up. It's been going back and forth. I got a switch in here so I can tune from the dash on my laptop.
All right.
And that switch from China, I think that was going out. It dropped my dash out like 10 times yesterday. Fix that. Car has been having trouble idling because we put this super China 102 millimeter that came with my new intake on there. Pretty sure that's junk. So we put the old
one from the other intake.
yeah, it's a 92 millimeter, a little smaller, better idle. The car idled good before we changed all that. So now I'm trying to get this surge out of the idle. So I'm tuning
All right,
that.
y'all fixed the brake switch that was kind of
Yeah,
flickering
I think
yesterday.
The bushing came out of the brake pedal. I bought it gives you better leverage on the brake pedal.
Yeah.
It's, MMR I think makes it. But anyways, the bushing is gone. I don't know where it went. Broke, fell out, whatever. And that was why the brake switch wasn't making well. So we actually found an injector height adapter. It fit the sleeve of the
There you go.
master cylinder rod. So we machined it just a little bit, slid it in there, made a new bushing, and now the brakes work.
Hell yeah, brother. So you just going to up that tune a little bit?
Trying.
And then we'll get on the road, head over to Clyde's shop. And
We gotta fix yours and then get on the road.
hey, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Mr. Edit 'em all.
I
Now
get
finally working on his car. Somebody's got to do it.
All right, buddy. How are you? Get some good sleep.
Some sleep. 18 ranch. Yeah, I'm just getting rained on.
Is this too big?
No, it's perfect. Thank you.
All right, so I had to just edit a video and then come over here. So now we're gonna add some spacers to the springs and hopefully bring the car up a little bit. Whenever the car was sitting on the ground, the car was sitting on the tire almost. So we had to put some footballs in there as you saw in the last video. So now we're gonna try to fix it right, a little bit better, and head out to Clyde's.
Sorry. I'll try to close it.
Reese, go ahead and tell everybody good morning.
Morning. She sound good.
Nut. Sometimes that's not what you want. Look at this. Look at
We
that.
didn't leave the other side out, did we? Oh no, these are.
We probably did. We didn't.
No, it had one. It had a good one. That's what it was.
I'm tired, balls. I know.
Get the jack, boy.
Let's go.
Get the jack and Jackie. Yeah, is that nice and wet?
You're done.
You firing the vibe up?
I was making sure it would do a burnout in a second.
Oh, it does.
With all the weight in it.
With all the weight. So
Cheater.
oh, here it is. This is our cheating right here.
Cheated there, and cheated there. Hose clamps not allowed.
You mean cheated set?
Hose clamps are not allowed. Cheater.
You're done.
You're done. You're done.
Try to find some women.
So we were cruising yesterday, and as you probably may have seen in the video, I can't remember if I videoed much. We hit 230 and decided to pull over.
I hope this works. I haven't seen this type. This is that type that
Oh, this built into the
it's
housing.
built into the housing.
So
Interesting.
instead of having a 190 thermostat, we're putting a
160.
160 in there. Good old Duralast. So stand by, and maybe this might work. Maybe we'll just be hot. Oh, we don't have a gasket, do we?
Yeah, it comes with this one has an O-ring.
All right. All right.
Hopefully the orientation is.
Please work. Do we need to lub the O-ring? Or we just, after we figure it out? Extra agua on there.
And it's wet. Sloppy bit.
Sloppy. The vibrations. I feel the vibrations.
There's only one good thing about coming to these races, and that is the vibrations from the cars. Oh, I love this car. This bike. Oh, feel the motor running up my legs.
You know that's from.
She's at the racetrack.
Yeah.
Oh, the cars start cranking those motors. Feel the vibration.
Me and John were talking about the other day. I think it was me and John. So it appears it is going to work.
You guys have the spring spacers in with footballs, right?
Yeah.
Springs.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is anybody looking
She's riding good.
for a low temperature LS thermostat? They have them at AutoZone now. You don't have to buy the Lingenfelter one
Part number is here.
here, and it's cheaper than the other ones too. So
22
We'll give you a review.
$22. We'll let you know here shortly when we're cruising down the road. If you.
So we also need to change the fan settings, on/off settings, to reflect the
All right.
temperature of the.
We do that. I do that. All right, so we got everything done. We got his car set up. He got it, all the stuff that he needed changed done, and we already talked about that. Anyways, we got the Fairmont, we got the thermostat changed on it, and we got the spring spacers put in. So we should be ready to roll out the Clydes. So stay tuned with us, and we're going for a little ride. I mean, if you want to. No. What's up?
Video of the bathroom?
Yeah, I did.
Look how short this is.
We just tested boost controller, and we needed a key off and key on. So
Oh, we think that's why it doesn't work.
we're hoping.
We're hoping that's why it doesn't work. Sure.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
I think we gotta go around
We'll have to go
the
to the other side.
We have arrived at the meetup. Both seats. It's time for a cold snack, ain't it?
I think so.
Hey, the key's in it.
Hey, Matt,
With a cold snack.
get a cold snack.
What's up, fellas?
You ready to rock and roll?
I believe so.
All right, so they changed plans. Carolina Dragway has dropped out, so next year they won't be in the street meet. But everybody's already rolled out, and we're all kind of hanging out still here at Ledbetter's before we head to Aiken to do our little checkpoint, stay the night in Aiken, and then we'll come back tomorrow to race in Union. So no Aiken, we're going to Union tomorrow. So let's do some practice tree.
We gonna rush out. We gotta get champion out of the group right here.
See who's the best at this.
We already know where Bo's at.
Oh, both got it dialed in.
060s were live.
Oh, the mat.
You gotta hit it twice to stay in.
No, you're good now. Grab it. Let go.
Oh, somebody red light.
Alright, so you got one loss, so we'll circle in.
Let's do 2 practices.
You gotta warm up.
Yeah, you gotta warm up. All right.
All right, count right now.
All right. All right. 1-0.
Camera.
All right, how does this work?
Well, you get 2 practice rounds.
Yeah, but how does it work?
Just push the button and it stages.
All right, and when I
Like that?
Yeah, that ain't gonna cut it, Taylor. That's better. All right, now this is for the biscuits. This is for the biscuit. No, he ain't lost yet.
I said he's 1-0. He's 1-1 and lost
You
one.
just when you lose 2. Me and Matt both lost 1. Oh, Taylor's out now.
Me and you. All right, bye. Bye.
Burn it down.
Burn it down. That's out.
No, he's only at 1.
He lost 2. You squirreling. Quit, squirrel. So, you better not lose. You got to take him out 2 times.
So this is it.
No, he can lose twice. You can't lose. Oh, put him on. Put him on the trailer. Put him on the trailer. Reese blew us all out. Now this guy's a pro right here, Reese.
Don't mess with his head
That was the numbers right there, dude.
So that means you gotta make a pass in the Fox body, and the and the
button release, but not the rest of the equipment.
and the Fairmont. Yeah, boy. I'm just saying that he's the winner. He's the best.
Let me do some highway driving first.
That was. You gotta roll into it. You can't just deep stage it. Oh, 48, that's pretty good. You lost first.
Yeah, I was finna fuck with you back. I was like, no, he's finna tree me.
So we made it to the fuel station, which really is not good because they ain't got no fuel. That's terrible. So we're gonna fill up some gas here shortly and keep going to the planetarium.
Should have about a half a tank, maybe a little less.
Okay.
Within 100 miles.
100 miles?
Somebody.
I'm just hungry.
I'm hungry, boss.
Hungry, bud.
Oh, they going to the
Waffle House. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yui, bust.
To the waffle.
Look how.
So we have made it to our hotel for the night. Did our first and second checkpoint. Do that wham bam thank you ma'am again.
We just met this dude from the Aiken Crystal Methodist Church. He invited us to come on Sunday. He saw this Grand National here and was really excited.
We didn't even know it was all-wheel drive the whole time.
We left the laundromat spinning all 4 tires. Yeah. And his little weenie got hard. That's his words, not mine.
Did you see his Air
I
Force
couldn't
One?
see him. The windows were dark. I knew that he was a crackhead as soon as he walked up. He was
I
going to
did
ask for
too.
money or
Somebody to help him pin that
Yes.
needle.
God Almighty.
Reese, how you feel about the drive today? You ready to drive tomorrow?
I'm ready to see some racing. I know that.
That's what I'm ready for.
Anyways, our drive was really good. We really didn't have any issues. Minus kind of ran out of gas a little bit, but we made it to the gas station in time, so we filled up. Matt really didn't have any issues other than slowing down in the rain with the
Yeah, I
trailer.
slid, bro. I locked the tires up. It was like we were in the snow. It was fun.
Overall, day 2 was pretty fun. I'm sorry there's no racing, and tomorrow we will see you guys at Union Dragway. So stay tuned for that video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Adios, amigos.